And just to say a little bit about vibration monitoring training. So I'm speaking today from the training facility in Rudolstadt, which has been set up over the last 12 months. It's been in use for about 6 months. Obviously, with the pandemic, we've not been able to do very much face-to-face training, but we can use it as a remote demonstration place as well. So we have our vibration rig that I showed you earlier. We do all our product training now from here, so we can do training on how WebLog is used, how it interacts with a machine, so that we can see how the data is collected. And so that's training on the use of WebLog for the analysis and also the setup of all the vibration analysis facilities. But we don't just do training on products, we also do theory training about vibration. Now, you may be aware that the ISO standards committees on vibration monitoring set up the series of standards for condition monitoring and diagnostics of machines, requirements for qualification and assessment of personnel, or in other words, training. This is a set of standards which effectively shows how training should be done. It sets out syllabuses for things like vibration analysis, thermography, acoustic emissions, and a few other techniques as well. What we train on here is the part 2, vibration condition monitoring and diagnostics. So that training is based on the standard and the syllabus from the standard, but the standard requires that training organizations have a very strong quality system in place to ensure the quality of the training and that the content is correct. And there are actually external bodies who approve these training courses. So we have gone to the British Institute of Non-Destructive Testing, who do the approval, and they came and audited us and checked our notes and made sure we were following the syllabus and checked our processes and everything like that. So we have recently been approved as a approved training organization for vibration analysis. We actually started with a category 3 course for some of our internal people, which we ran last week. And so we will be making training available as part of our portfolio on categories 1, 2, and 3 for vibration analysis. We don't yet offer Cat 4, but we may do in the future if there is demand for it. What I should point out is that vibration, it's not a black art. It's quite a straightforward science, but it is a specialist subject, and there's quite a lot of different aspects of vibration that you need to know about in order to be able to go through a qualification to show that you are a trained vibration analyst. And it's not just vibration analysis, it also concerns the whole topic of condition monitoring and looking after and applying that within a maintenance strategy.